In this session of work, energy and power, we are going to find work done by using the graphs. Consider this block which is placed on a surface and a force Fx is applied on this block. The block is displacing along the x-axis due to the application of this force Fx. The force Fx will perform some work. Now we are going to discuss the work done by this force Fx for this displacement x using the graphical method. Consider this graph between the force Fx and the position x. The force Fx is changing with the position x according to this graph. We are interested to find the work done by this force Fx. For this, remember the definition: work done by the force Fx, as the force Fx and the displacement is along the same direction, hence the differential work done by this force Fx for the displacement dx will be given by Fx dx. Now this graph divided into several very small rectangular parts. Consider this rectangular part. In this rectangular part, the thickness of this rectangle is dx and the height of this rectangle is Fx. Area of the rectangle is height Fx into this thickness dx. Hence, the work done is nothing but this is the area of this rectangular part. The work done by the force Fx from the position xi to position xf can be determined by using this complete area. To find the total work done by the force Fx, if the body is displaced from the initial position xi to position xf, take this area. The area will represent the work done. You are observing that this person is extending the spring. We are going to discuss the work done by this person to extend the spring using the graphical method. This spring is extended by an external agent very slowly, that you can see. Now we are going to discuss the work done by the external agent using the graphical method. For this, we are going to draw the free body diagram of this block. Consider this block. This block is initially attached to a relaxed spring. Now the spring is extended by an amount x. To extend the spring, the block is moved towards right very slowly. This one is the free body diagram of this block. During the extension, the spring force will act towards left because the spring is extended towards right, and the spring force is given by kx. This k is known as spring constant of the spring and x is the amount of extension. This one is the force which is applied by the external agent, right? These are the two forces which will act along the horizontal direction. There are two other forces which can act along the vertical direction. One is the weight mg vertical downward, and another force is a normal reaction. And now this block is extended very slowly by the external agent. Hence, this force F applied by the external agent will be equal to kx, because if the block is moved very slowly along the horizontal direction, then its speed will remain constant and hence the acceleration of the block will be taken as 0. From Newton's second law, F external minus kx will be equal to 0. Hence the force applied by the external agent will be equal to kx. We have to find the work done by the external agent. That means we have to find the work done by this force when the spring is extended by an amount x using the graphical method. For this, we are going to draw the graph of the force applied by the external agent. This one is the graph which is representing the variation of the force applied by the external agent with the position x of the block. The work done by the external agent to extend the spring by an amount x or to displace the block by an amount x is given by area of this triangle, and the area of this triangle is given by half AB into OB. Here AB equals to kx and OB equal to x, hence it will come out half kx square. This one is the work done by the external agent. Now we are going to determine the work done by the external agent if the spring will be extended from x by 2 to x. That means if the block will be displaced from x by 2 to x, then in this situation, using the graphical method, we have to find the area of this trapezium or area of this figure. The area of this figure is given by area of the triangle OAB and the area of the triangle OPQ. Hence the work performed is given by area of the triangle OAB minus area of the triangle OPQ, and the area of the triangle OAB is given by half AB into OB. Hence half AB will be KX and OB equal to X minus half area of the triangle OPQ. The area of the triangle OPQ is given by height PQ into OQ. PQ is given by Kx by 2 because at this moment the force exerted by the external agent will be Kx by 2 and the OQ will be equal to X by 2. Hence the area of the triangle OPQ will be half Kx by 2 into X by 2. After some basic calculation, you can get the value of work done by the external agent to extend the spring from X by 2 to X, or to displace the block from X by 2 to X will be 3 by 8 Kx square. There is another way to find the work done using the graphical method. You can take the area of this trapezium also. The area of the trapezium will give the same value, that will be 3 by 8 Kx square,